Hi you guys, welcome back to Math in a Hoodie. I have my favorite hoodie on and I'm ready to talk about math today with you. Are you ready to learn some math stuff? Wave your hand in the air if you're ready to learn about some new math stuff today. I bet you are, because math is fun, isn't it? Okay, well today we're going to learn about short or long. Have you heard those words before? Short and long? I bet you have, because if you compare two things together, one of them is probably going to be shorter and one's probably going to be longer than the other, huh? So short, see the short arrow, or long, see the long arrow? So it's important for us to be able to look at things and tell which one is shorter and which one is longer. Okay, so to help you guys practice learning what is short and what is long, I've put some items together for us to look at. Now, when you see the two items, see if you can tell which one is shorter and which one is longer. Okay, guys, our first picture is of two trees. Which one is shorter? Shorter also means smaller. Which of the two trees is shorter? It's the one on the right, isn't it? Good job. Let's look at another picture. This one has two pencils in it. One pencil is short and one pencil is long. Can you tell which pencil is longer? It's the bottom pencil, isn't it? Good job. Our next picture is of the number 5. One of the number 5s is longer than the other one. Can you tell which number 5 is shorter? Good job. It's the one on the right again, isn't it? Our next picture has two arrows. One is long and one is short. Can you tell which one is longer? If you said the top arrow, you're correct. Look at this next picture. It has 3 buildings in it. They look like buildings from a city, don't they? Which of these buildings is shorter than the other 2? One is super long, isn't it? That's the one in the middle. The one on the left is medium size, and the shorter one are the 3 little houses on the right. Good job. Our last picture has a boy named Tommy who's kicking a soccer ball. Which one of the soccer balls is longer than the other row? Can you see the different lines and count the soccer balls? Which line is longer? Did you say the top line? Well, you're right again. The top line is a longer line of soccer balls than the bottom line. You guys are doing so good. I'm so proud of you. You're definitely learning the concept about short and long. Let's go ahead and look at a few more examples. Good job, you guys. Let's keep practicing. Look at these pictures of cars. Do you like to play with cars? On this picture of cars, there are lots of different types of cars, aren't there? I see a big truck, a convertible, a station wagon. I even see a moving or delivery van. Do you see that? Well, we need to see which of the cars is the shortest. Which one of these cars is shorter than the other cars? Look for a minute and see if you can see which one is shorter. Did you pick the yellow convertible on the top row? If you did, you're correct. That is the shortest car on the page. Good job. On our next page, we have a picture of Sally and Johnny who are taking a nap. Sally took a nap for 2 hours and Johnny took a nap for 3 hours. Which child took the shortest nap? Shortest means the smallest amount, right? So which child took the shortest amount? Was it Johnny on the bottom? Or was it 2 hours for Sally? If you picked Sally with 2 hours, then you're right. Good job. A 2-hour nap is shorter than a 3-hour nap, isn't it? Because 2 is smaller than 3. Good job. Let's move to our next example. Look at this cute picture of the giraffe. He sure has a long neck, doesn't he? Now he has his friend, Whiskers the cat there. Does Whiskers have a long neck? No, Whiskers has a short neck, doesn't she? Good job. Okay, in our last example, we have a little map. And it shows a road going to different places on the map. Do you see the different places? Well, Susie starts with an S. Do you see the S? Susie's in the mountains. Do you see the picture of mountains below the S? That's where Susie is. And now look at Emily. Emily's in the building downtown. Do you see the E for Emily above the buildings? She's in those buildings downtown. Susie and Emily need to get to the carnival. Do you see the arrow? That's the carnival. If they both need to get to the carnival, which girl is going to take the longest amount of time to get there? Is it going to be Susie or Emily? Which girl will need the longest amount of time to arrive at the carnival? If you said Emily, you're correct. Good job. Since Emily is the farthest away from the carnival, it will take her the longest amount of time to drive there. Good job. Okay, guys, well, that's it for right now. Thanks for stopping by today and helping me practice learning about shorter and longer items and objects. You guys did such an awesome job. I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you guys next time on Math in a Hoodie.